Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Karina Bonaduk, and this week I'm gonna be showing you how I did backsplash tile at my friend's place.
Wish we could fly away, you and I, go to our favorite place. Oh yeah.
But Karina, why are you dressed so fancy to talk to us about tile? I am not dressed fancy. I just feel really fancy because of the earrings, and I don't wear dangly earrings, and they're like super cheap, like $3 or $4 earrings, but I just felt like it today, so there it is. Also, if you're looking for a tutorial on how to do backsplash tile, this probably ain't it. I'm just sharing some footage of how I did backsplash tile at my friend's house and some little tips and tricks that I learned. It's not a per se how to, so let's get to it. So I told my friend to get gray or black mortar because her tiles were black, and it is way easier as a beginner or a noob to use something that's like the same color palette so you can mask any mistakes that you make. Here we're prepping the countertop. You always want to prep so you don't have a messy workplace. And with the trowel, you use the straight side to put the mortar on, and then you use the part with the teeth to make the little grooves. Now here I should have started from the corner because you always want to, but that's the stopping point that my friend wanted to have, and I didn't even think about it. I just started there and later on realized I should have started in the corner. You can use a level to make sure that it is level or straight, or you can step back and just look at it and make sure that you like the result. It's more about like where the eye draws you, because sometimes the tile can be level but it won't look level. So here you can see in the corner that I had to cut little pieces just to make them fit since there's zigzaggedy. And here I am showing you again how to use the trowel. There's a better angle, and just make sure you put it on with the straight side first and then with the little teeth. Make sure to really put pressure on all the little tiles for all of them to be connected properly or adhere properly. And here's an even closer look. It was really hard to get good angles with this, but it's so easy to do. It's like playing Tetris. If you can see my friend in the corner, nobody puts baby in the corner, but she is just helping me be faster at this by doing the little cutting and putting the little pieces where they're missing. Here you have her cat Hershey that is super cute and super fluffy that came to say hello, and that was a well-deserved break. Here I am putting the tile around the plug, and you want to cut more like than the hole for the plug, and then you can add the little pieces to make it be square and have the plate go on top. Here I wanted you to see that you don't need any fancy tools. Here I'm using a cutter to cut the pieces that I don't need. You don't need to use the grout like anyway because it is that small. It doesn't really matter if you go up and down, side to side. You just want to have the little grooves. Just like a little puzzle, just like Tetris, here I didn't have enough pieces in one full sheet, so I'm using leftovers from other sheets that I used on the other walls. No tile left behind, right? I have unscrewed the screws from the switches because first of all, she is gonna change them, and then secondly, you want the little metal parts of the screws to be on top of the tile, so once you put the plate, it will be on top and you can't see any jagged pieces of tile. Here I'm showing you kinda, in this darkness, that I am using cutting pliers to cut the little pieces, and I am back buttering the tile to put it in place. This whole process took about 6 hours, and it was a lot of fun. I really enjoy putting backsplash tile, especially this little one. It's so easy because it comes on the sheet, so You don't have to do each one individually how I did in my place, where I have used 3x6 subway tile. So it is way more work than this. This was the project of this week. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see what's happening throughout the week, make sure to follow me at Karina Beneduk on Instagram, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you do want me to start posting more, I'm thinking about doing some bonus videos on Tuesdays. Let me know in the description below, or you can message me on Instagram after you follow the account at Karina Beneduk.